This exam application tutorial is on the topic of resistance. The question for 3 marks is explain why an object heats up as a current flows through it. The translation is explain what causes heat to be released as electricity flows through a wire. So if you remember, in a wire you have electrons which move through it and you have relatively still cations, positively charged nuclei. So firstly, you must acknowledge that there are electrons in the wire. And these electrons collide with cations, these are cations or positively charged nuclei. So you can see them moving and they're going to smack into various cations. When they collide, they transfer kinetic energy or just energy to the surroundings as heat. So you can see that we're getting heat being produced. So electrons in the wire, 1 mark, collide with the cations for 1 mark, transferring energy to the surroundings as heat. Just like if you slap your hands together, you'll feel heat in your hands, and that's because the kinetic energy in your moving hands is transferred to heat when they collide. Same idea, but over a much smaller scale.